Hey folks, Brian Gaddis here, going to show you a high intensity interval training TABATA workout. High intensity interval training is based on the concept of going hard for a certain amount of time and then taking a break. With TABATA, you'll be going hard for double the amount of time as your break. So in this instance, we're going to be a 20-10 mixed TABATA workout. With this, we're going to do 8 intervals of 20 seconds work and 10-second rest. So we're going to go and split that between 2 workouts in an AABB format. That being said, we're going to do 1 workout during the first 2 intervals and then do the next workout in the 3rd and 4th interval. The 5th and 6th will be that first workout again, and the 7th and 8th be that next one. First, I'm going to take you through a little warm-up. We'll first start off with jogging in place. Now jumping jacks. Now, high knees. All right, go ahead and stop. All right, folks, we're going to do a little cool down.